Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. This is Richmond, coming live from Atlanta, Georgia. I just want to talk about TR-MASTERNODE a little bit, show you guys the results since last time. So this video is just for, TR-MASTERNODE, the results. Let me tag some few people here. Let me see here. Let me tag some few people here. Let's see here. TR-MASTERNODE, the results. Give me a second. Let me tag some few people here, and then we can go ahead and I'll show you guys the results. Tag some few people here. There's some people that I want them to see this. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's see if I can get this person. All right. Yes. So basically, we're just gonna talk about a little about Masternode. Masternode, everybody don't know about Masternode. Google it. I already explained it already. So you guys should know about what Masternode is about. But if you don't know, you can Google it. Basically, we did it to add it to Tornado Rising. Tornado Rising is an advertising company. All it takes is $35 to get involved, and you have the door open for you to get involved with TR-MASTERNODE. All right, that is what that is. And the Tornado Rising have its own comp plan, straight line, and a 4x8. You can go to tornadorising.com and you can check out the compensation plan. But for you to join TR-MASTERNODE, you have to be involved with Tornado Rising. Okay, it's only for the members because it costs a lot for hosting, and then you have to have 24-hour internet. It's like you are mining. Okay, think of it like any Bitcoin transaction that goes on, got to go through Masternodes. All right, just look at it like that. Okay, so you have to be a member of Tornado Rising to get involved with what I'm doing in this TR-MASTERNODE. So let's go to the TR-MASTERNODE website. This is how it looks. I'm doing SkyHub. We have actually have 2 coins that is here. More is going to be added. Hopefully by the end of this week, we're going to have another one added. Okay, it is not easy. It's not easy building, a Masternode wallet. You need a IT person to do it for you. And so we decided to, team up with some company that does all this. They do the research, everything is legit, and they come with this concept, and they partner with us, and we're doing TR-MASTERNODE, and it's just for Tornado Rising members only. You can't just go on the website and sign up. Yeah, you can go on the website and read about it and do what you got to do. But if you sign up, it's going to give you an error message because you have to be a member of Tornado Rising, which is one time out of pocket, $35, and then it gets you to invest in the Masternode. All right, that's what that is. So I just want to show you guys the results of so far since I started on the 6th of December, and I started with like I think $75 to $80. Okay, and if you want to know the SkyHub, how much it costs per coin, and let me go there real quick. Let me go to SkyHub. Okay, here we go. So if you watch my last video like 2-3 days ago, you'll notice that it was very low. The SkyHub was very low. I think to own a full SkyHub, let me go down here. Let me show you, like right here, to own a full Masternode, it is $4,800. That is one Bitcoin, 1.3 Bitcoin. Okay, and each you need 2,500 of those coins to make one full masternode. Okay, you need 25 of SkyHub coins to make one full masternode. And the Sky coin right now, I mean the SkyHub coin right now is going for $1.93 right now. Okay, and to own a full masternode is 4,800. But not everybody have that money to to invest. But you can buy a portion, just like you can buy a portion of Bitcoin and stuff like that. So I decided to buy, I think $70 to $80 worth of coin, and I started on the 6th of December, and I'll be building on it. So I'm going to show you guys that in a minute. If you look at it, if you have a full masternode with the current price right now, you'll be making $92 every single day. Okay, you'll be making $92 every single day. A week is 645. A month is 2,767. A year is 33. Okay, and I know most average America, they wake up 9 to 5, they go to work and bust their butt. They make that. Sometimes they even make less than that. And I know a couple people that make less than that a year. Okay, so that just just to give you idea how the masternode payout goes and stuff like that. Okay, so now let me go into my my account and showed you how I'm getting paid daily on mine. I don't have a full masternode yet. So far, I only got 150 SkyHub, and I make it 6% on that. So basically got to buy a slot. So to buy a slot, you need one slot is basically roughly around right now with the current price right now, maybe $25 to $30 with the fees and all that. So that will give you one slot, and you'll be making some type of a SkyHub every single day. Okay, that is how that works. And right now, all I got is 150. Okay, so you can see that this is my deposit. I deposit 2, and then I deposit 81, and then I deposit 12, and then I deposit 40 and 18. So all that come to 150. All right. Now, if you look at my my daily payout, this is my daily payout. You notice that I started on the 6th of December. Okay, I started 6th of December. So you will see that, on the 6th of December, I got paid. It's like every hour, basically, it's like every hour. So that's a 0.02, so all the way, matter of fact, let me do 100 page. So you can see it. You can see that, I've been getting paid around the clock since starting on the 6th. Okay, 0.2. All right, and then I keep on adding some more SkyHub to it. Remember, I showed you my deposit, so I keep adding to it. And this is on the 8th. This payment be coming in, and this is on the 9th. Okay, on the 9th. And you notice that on the 9th and on the 12th, you notice that on the 9th, you notice that my coin went up. My daily payout went up from 0 to 0.02 to now to 4.04, from 0.28 to 0.46. Okay, and then it keep on going up. Keep on going up. All right, as you can see on the 1800 hour, you see that I made 0.056. All right, you see that. You see that from so you can see the numbers going up, 0.028 all the way to 0.46, and then right now I'm at 0.56. All right, okay. Now let me go to the next page. The same thing. You can see the numbers. So right now I'm getting paid on the 10th right now of December. You can see that, and I'm still at 0.056. I'm going to be adding more to it. Hopefully by Friday, and then maybe spend maybe a couple $100 on here, and then I'll see how it goes, and I'll show you more result. Hopefully maybe Saturday I'll show you more result, or I'll show you more result on Monday. So these are my result right here. I started very low, and I'm building it to get a full masternode. Okay, to get involved with this, you must be with Tornado Rising before you before you can get involved with the masternode. Masternode pay daily. Okay, so and we currently have 2 masternodes in here. We have 2 masternodes in here. We have the gold poker, which is JBKR, and the Sky Hub, which is SHB. Okay, those are the 2 coins we got right now, and more is going to be added. But if you want to know more about masternode, just go to masternode.online. Okay, it will tell you more about it, or you can go to YouTube and learn about it. But it is paying. People will be making a lot of money on it, and the coin's going to go up. The coin's going to go up. So the more the coins goes up, the more payout we are getting as the rewards. All right. So go ahead. You can go and check it out, on masternode.online. It pays daily. Right now, if you have a full masternode, you'll be making $92 every day, weekly, $645 monthly, $2,707, yearly is $33. So it's up to you guys. This is something that is paying. This coin, you notice that every coins in the system right now have dropped. Bitcoin dropped, so every coin have dropped. Like 3 days ago, to worth Sky Hub masternode, it was 2,600. 3 days ago. Now it's 4,008. You see that it have doubled within a short period of time. Okay, it goes up and it comes down. It goes up and it comes down. So you just got to catch it at the right moment. Those people who have the money to buy the full masternode, you just got to wait the right moment and catch it. But sometimes it's not always the best, but sometimes it might even go up higher. Okay, so that's how that is. And then also, let me see here. You can see the graph. You can see it wasn't too long ago. It was sitting at 11 on the 10th, October 26, 2018. It was at $11. So imagine, so those people who have a full masternode that time probably was making over $200, $300. Who knows? I wasn't owning one, so I wouldn't know. But now I'm trying to own one, so very soon I will know, right? When it goes up there, it might even go higher. All right, and now let me go to gold poker, so you can see if you have a full gold poker and see how much they're paying. Okay, gold poker, to own a gold poker right now. Wow, this is cheap. $2,500 to own full gold poker masternodes. But the coin that is required to be locked up for you to earn that is 33,333. Okay, and you can see with this one the rewards are very little. Okay, right now the gold poker is at let's just say 0.075. Maybe, yeah. So it's very cheap right now. Okay, this is the best time to buy. It's very cheap. And you can see that your daily rewards on that is $19 a day. A week is $135, and the month is $580. Okay, and the year is $7,000 on that. So you can see it's paying little, but they're coming up with a mobile app and stuff like that. And it's going to the first quarter of next year. You will not see this price anymore. This price is going to go higher. So those people who have it, go ahead and get it, because I am going to be getting it very soon. I'm going to own a full masternode on it very soon. So, and so that is that. So I just want to give everybody my report and let you guys know what is happening and stuff like that. So I'm going to do next Monday. Hopefully I can do another video for you guys and show you guys, result. And also for you to buy a slot. You see the Sky Hub, my balance right now is 9. So you do the math, so you know how much, the Sky Hub coin is worth right now. Okay. So when that reaches 25, I can repurchase a slot, a compound. You can compound your money. All right. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm compounding and I'm adding. So once I get full masternode, then I go ahead and start building the gold poker. But most likely I'm going to start sooner than that. All right. Okay. So that is that. So I'll see you guys at the beach, or I'll see you guys at the bank. Have a nice day.